The 3 laws of writing. Readable code. Every developer must know this. Do you ever revisit your old code and feel like you're reading ancient hieroglyphics? You're not alone. Writing code is easy. Writing readable code? That's an art. In this video, I'll walk you through the 3 laws of writing readable code that every developer should master. Law number 1. Your code should be self-explanatory. That means your variable names, function names, and class names should tell the story. Think of your code as a conversation with the next developer, or future you. If your function is called calc, no one knows what it's calculating. But calculate total price? That's clear as day. Don't write puzzles, write prose. Law 2. Keep it simple and consistent. Complexity is the enemy of clarity. Break big functions into small ones. Follow a consistent style. Use the same naming conventions, spacing, and structure throughout. Clever one-liners might impress your friends, but they'll confuse your teammates. Readable code always wins. Law 3. Comment why, not what. Your code should already explain what it's doing. Use comments to explain why it's doing it, especially when your logic isn't obvious. Comments are not for stating the obvious, they're for explaining decisions. That's what makes them valuable. Let's recap. Make your code self-explanatory. Keep it simple and consistent. Comment why, not what. Follow these 3 laws, and your code will not just run, it will shine.